Hi, in this video, I will be showing you problem number 1 and 2 of the practice exam 1. Problem number 1. Solve for x. 7 times x minus 4 equal to negative 6 times negative 4x plus 3 minus x. So we'll distribute. So 7 times x, 7x. 7 times negative 4, that's a negative 28, minus 4 equal to negative 6 times negative 4x, that's a positive 24x, negative 6 times 3, that is negative 18 minus x. Now on the left, it's 7x. Then we'll combine the like terms of these numbers, 7 minus 28 minus 4, that will be negative 32, equal to here, if you can combine the x terms, 24x minus x, that will be a 23x minus 18. Now subtract the 7x. So that will give negative 32 on the left hand side. Here it is going to be 16x minus 18. Then you add 18 both sides in order to isolate the x. So we get 16x equal to negative 32 positive 18. That will be a 14 with a negative sign. Now you divide both sides by 16 in order to isolate the x. So it will be x equal to negative 14 over 16. The problem says simplifies, so you can simplify that, reduce it, negative 7 over 8. So x equals negative 7 over 8 is the solution to the problem. Let's try the next one. Solve the inequality for y. 3 plus 10y over 3 is more than 11. Simplify your answer. So let's rewrite this. 3 plus 10y over 3 more than 11. In order to clear the fraction, we'll multiply all by 3. So times 3 times 3 times 3. So 3 and 3 get cancelled out. This is the way we clear the fraction. So it's 3 times 3, 9. Plus 10y is more than 3 times 11, that's 33. So continue carrying this inequality is greater than here. Now subtract 9 on both sides in order to isolate the y. So we get 10y is more than 33 minus 9, which will be a 24. Now we divide both sides by 10. So we get y more than 24 over 10, reduce it. So that will be 12 divided by 5. So y is more than 12 divided by 5. That's the solution to the problem. Hope this video helps.